You work in an office. I work in an office now too. Shit.
I think he might get you on the comeback.
Go back together.
Remember the story of the rabbit and the turtle? The rabbit took a break, and the turtle ended up winning the race.
Dude, you just got smoke checked, dude.
Hey, bro, at least I did it.
Okay.